Hello guys, this is Video Blocks, and we are recording this video tutorial for you guys for the new package we have introduced for the Christmas season, and we are really excited to launch these templates for you, and we believe that you're gonna love these templates. So to help you out in your editing process, I am recording this video tutorial to assist you and to let you know what is the simplest process to edit these templates. So here you can see, as you can already see, that in every Video Blocks template structure, you are gonna find some specific folders, as we are actually building our all templates within this structure. Here is the compositing folder, and these are the design elements and the final outputs. Here are your 3 presets and the scene files. This actually, to edit the text, you need to go to the scene files, and these are the separate scenes for you that you can edit separately. For example, if you wanted to edit the text for scene number 1, you can go to this folder, scene number 1, and after opening this folder, you are going to find 2 main compositions here. And always you need to keep in mind that the text that you are going to find in your preview is going to be right in the scene file. So here is the text that you can see in scene number 1, Merry Christmas. So to edit this text, you need to open this composition by just double clicking on it, and here you can see this is the base text layer that you can edit, and you can write. After again double clicking on this text layer, you can write your own. For example, 678 I'm sorry, whatever text that you want to replace. And by repeating the same procedure, you can edit all these text layers very easily. Here you can see, for example, scene number 4 is having the same composition setup. Scene number 4, this is the main scene file. Here you can see the scene setup, the design setup, you can say, and this is the text layer, and this is the little bit of transition effect that we have added, and this is the main text layer. This is the main design layer. And also one more flexibility for you, that if you want to change the color of the background, the deers, or any kind of element that you find in the Christmas templates, you can change them very easily. For example, if you want to change the color for your text, here is the text file, text number 4. By going in the effects panel, here you can change the color for your text. For example, let me change it to blue. Here you can see it has been changed to blue. If you want to change the color for particles, you can go on particles, and then by going to particles options, and here you can change the color for them as well. For example, change them to blue. And right now its transformation mode is actually to add, you can change it to normal, and here you can see these are the blue text, the blue particles now. So it depends on you how you want to customize your template. And if you want to change the color for deer, here you can see that you can change it to anything else. Here is the color has been changed. I mean, any kind of modification that you want to make in this template according to your design requirement, you can do that very easily. And after you are done doing this, you can go always into your final outputs, and you can select 1080i, 720p, and NTSC. For example, let me go to 720p, and here you can see this is my final output. And after that, I can go to composition, pre-render, and then I can select my desired output format, and then press OK. If you have audio file, then you need to enable the audio output, and then select your settings, your required settings for all the sequences. Click OK, give it a name, give it output file name, and then press save, and then press render. So guys, this is a general introduction and guidance, and you can say that a kind of introductory video tutorial, just to tell you, to assist you how you can edit all the Christmas templates within the techniques that you need to know. So hopefully you will get something really exciting within these templates. And if you have any trouble, and if you are facing any kind of problem by editing these templates, please do write an email to Video Blocks, and we would love to respond, and we will try to to help you out within your problem. So guys, thanks for watching. This is Video Blocks, and bye.